Greetings, traders. It is Friday, October 31st, 2014. I have just taken a short position, and this is a code 2 trade, and I'm going for 100 ticks here. 100 tick exit. Should be down here at 80.05 for 100 ticks. Just getting started here. And what I'll do, I've got, let's see here. What's my exit on this? I'm in at 05. I have a very tight stop on this. So I'm going to pause the video, and I'll come back and show you the progression and of course the outcome of this trade. But I'm just demonstrating here the power of being able to hit 100 tick trades. Yesterday was 92. Today will probably be 100. Probably could get more than that today. But 100, under the circumstances of how tight it has been, 100 is good. So we'll go for 100. Should be able to hit that. And but I will be back shortly to update you on this trade. Okay, I have a very tight stop on this now at 81.09. If it wants to go up, it's just going to stop me here, and I'll take another entry into this. But I'm not going to ride it up just in case it wants to go up. I mean, I went short. When I went short, I was expecting it to go down, not up. So I know that's a very, very tight stop, but it's a way to. It has a methodology behind it, believe me. It's all based upon the code. Okay, I'll come back. Okay, it's just starting its descent here. Starting its move down. I do believe I have the code 2. And this should be an easy 100 ticks. This is the power of knowing my code system of trading. Code 1 and code 2. There's no system anywhere in the world like it. There's no system as powerful as it. In fact, it's so powerful, I don't think, even a lot of people don't realize just how powerful it truly is. But I am here showing and demonstrating now just how powerful it is. You just need to know what to do and do it properly and execute it properly, and you're seeing it before your eyes now. Seeing it done. So I will come back shortly, or in a little while, and update you on this trade, but it's a 100 tick trade, so we've got quite a ways to go. Sometimes we can get there really quick, sometimes it takes, a while. So, but it should get there. That's all that counts, right? Okay, I'll come back shortly and update you on the progression and of course the outcome of this trade. Okay, it's taking a real dive here. Going to be paying close attention to it. It looks like we might have a 200 tick trade on our hands. I'm watching it. We could have 200 ticks here. I think we do. I think this is a 200 tick trade. I'm watching it. Where am I at? 80.05. We're getting close. 65 now. It's got to come down a little bit more. Yeah. Well, I'm going to see how it acts. but this might meet the criteria for a 200 tick trade. We'll see. Anyway, it's looking very good. Uh, the mathematical chances that I have a code 2 at this point are very, very high. And it's a 100 tick trade. It's just a matter of, is it a 200 tick trade now? It very well may be. They don't come around every day, so when they do, you do want to hit them. I'll be back. Looks like it's going to do a swan dive here. Let's see. Still taking measurements here for 200 tick trade. It's still a possibility. See if it does a swan dive here. I think it just may do it. Okay, I'll come back. But just to let you know, the mathematical chances that I'm going to hit a 100 tick trade at this point are very high. This is a code 2 trade, and it's a good one. And I mean, seriously, is that cool or what? To be able to hit 100 tick trades in a market over and over and over again. Believe me, my friends, if this was a normal market, you wouldn't be able to do anything like that. It wouldn't be possible. You cannot imagine the opportunity that this represents. It's a tremendous opportunity, all because of a certain reason. Well, I've alluded to it many times. Actually, I've talked about it many times. And that's the fact that this is a closed system. It's fake. You can take advantage of it, which is what I'm showing. Now watch, if you're a trader, how do you know where to get out? Well, I already know. It'll get out automatically when that reads 5,000. Now this one, I should not have to pull the 92 ticks. You should be able to make it to the 100 ticks today. I'll be back. Just 30 ticks to go here. 30 more ticks and we'll have a 100 tick trade here. Should be in the bag. Should be no problem at all to hit this. The power of knowing code 2. Now be honest. Let me ask you a question. Does this look hard to you? And it really isn't hard, is it? If you say, no, it doesn't look hard. You know why? Because it really isn't very hard. Code 2 is actually pretty simple. But anyway, we are getting closer and closer. Almost there. Be there really soon, I bet. So that's how easy this is. And watch, I can hit 100 ticks virtually every day with code 2. Imagine that. 100 ticks every day. It's so good that people don't believe it because they just can't believe that this could be something so good. Isn't that amazing? But anyway, but a lot of people are doing this, that's for sure. Anyway, I'll come back and show you the outcome of the trade, which is just going to be 100 ticks. Okay, I just wanted to show the outcome of the trade. The trade was successful. It got out right here at 80.05. When it went down to a low of about 79.60. So it went down about 45, 50 ticks below my exit. So it was good for about 50 more, roughly. And but that was the 100 ticks. 100 ticks off of code 2. Now, so don't let anybody out there fool you, and don't let your own skepticism destroy you. Okay, I've seen that a lot. Because this is so good, people think it's too good to be true. Fact. As a scientist and a trader, I'm here to tell you and speak the truth. It is true. It's all true. It's 100% true. I have helped over 1,000 traders now learn this. There are hundreds of them making a lot of money. There are women down in South Africa making $80,000 a month who have never traded before in their whole lives. You want me to say that to you again? There are women down in South Africa, who have never traded before in their lives, make $80,000 a month. Because they are trading code 2, and they're using 10 contracts. There's another guy I know, and he's from the States. I believe he's in the States. He might be in Canada. I think he's in the States, though. And he started his account with $5,000, one contract, and now he's using 25 contracts per trade. 25 contracts per trade. I didn't ask him how much money he's making, and he didn't tell me, but rest assured he's making a lot. I only use 5 contracts. He said, why do you only use 5 contracts? Well, there's reasons for that. Everybody has a different agenda in this world. My agenda is not to make a bunch of money. I could care less about that. That's like, I know it's hard to understand, but that's meaningless to me. Money is meaningless to me, 100%. It has no value. It has no meaning. It is the ultimate stupidity in life. As a scientist and philosopher, I'm here to tell you, it is the ultimate stupidity in life. Nothing in this world gets any dumber than money. I am here to help people open up their eyes, open up their minds, learn the truth of what's going on, and to be able to take advantage of it financially. For doing that, I'm bullied, slandered, stalked for 3 years, non-stop, 24 hours a day, everywhere I go. Or when I go down to the pool, there'll be people down there pointing at me and laughing. When I go down to the store, pointing at me and laughing, slamming their cart into me, pulling a handgun out at me at 7-Eleven. Everywhere I go, they put on incidents to try and destroy my life in every way they possibly can. All because I am teaching the truth about these markets. And teaching the truth of people how to make money. And for doing that, they don't want people to make money. That's the irony. See, you have an enemy out there that you don't know anything about, that you're totally oblivious to. I was too. I was oblivious to it until I started teaching this. Then I found out the real world. Welcome to the real world. They have tried to extort me to trade for them. They want to force me to trade for them. If I won't trade for them, this is what happens. You can't imagine what's really going on. And how much I'm being attacked right now, every day, for showing this. Now listen, my name is David. I grew up in San Francisco. That's where I was born. I grew up in Pacifica and Montera. I'm from a very well-to-do family. I have no reason to lie or rip anybody off or anything like that. I have all the money I need or want. I don't want any more money. I simply want to be able to bring the truth to the world and help people to be able to make money. They want to turn people into McDonald's workers and serfs. That's what they're doing to everyone without them realizing it. I want to help people, anybody and everybody I can that wants to come on board and learn how to trade and make money. It's there for the taking because the same people who want to turn you into a McDonald's serf worker are the same people who put this onto the system that it's on. And that's why he can make money from it, because of that corruption. So I would like to publicly announce again and again and again, I am being attacked nonstop. I'm going to have to move out of the country because of it. I don't really have a choice. Being persecuted, attacked, slandered, stalked, bullied, everything. And I'm not going to stop. They're not going to force me to stop. The only way that they're going to force me to stop is when they kill me. Until they kill me, I'm not going to stop. But I want you, as a citizen of the United States of America, and as a person who lives on planet Earth, to realize and to know what is really going on. So that these people can't keep doing this to me and to other people without people waking up and realizing what's going on. But people don't want other people to know about this. They're so evil, they don't want anybody to make any money unless they can make the money. That's how evil they are. I can't imagine it. I can't imagine what's really going on. For me, I would like to go onto a battlefield and fight. They won't go onto a battlefield with me. They fight from afar. They cannot be seen. They cannot be heard. They cannot be touched. And when they send people to you, they don't come for themselves. They send goons to you. Do you understand? There's no way to get to these people. If there was a way, I would get to them and take them out instantly. I could beat all of them up at the same time with no problem whatsoever. I know you probably don't believe that, or you don't think that, or you think that's BS or whatever. It's okay. I don't mind. I understand. But I'm just telling you, I can. No problem. People don't know that, don't understand that, and I don't, that's fine. Believe me, I've had to show it hundreds of times in my life. Hundreds of times. So imagine what it's like for me to be the kind of man that I am and have some sissy punk try to extort me and slander me and stalk me, have goons come and stalk me everywhere. Imagine what that's like for me. The guy that slammed his cart into me at the store, I was going to kill him. He's chickened out. The guy that pulled the handgun on me at 7-Eleven, I was going to knock his teeth down his throat, pull the handgun on me. This is what they're doing to me. They won't fight me. They just want to hurt me in every way they possibly can. That's why I have to leave the country. I don't have a choice. Nobody's going to help me. Not the FBI, not the Secret Service. Nobody. Not some sheriff who doesn't even know anything. Listen, the world is more corrupt than you could possibly imagine. Chances are, you listening to me, you yourself are part of the corruption. I am here to serve God's people, not the world. I hate the world and the people within it. They're all scum. Make no mistake about that. I am here to serve God's people so that you don't have to work at McDonald's. You don't have to be a slave and a serf and a liar when you go to work and lie to everybody because that's what's required of you to do so. No. You can learn how to trade for yourself and make virtually as much money as you want to make. Fact. Now, just today, we got people writing to me. They tell me they don't know how to do it. They can't do it. There are people like that. I'd say at least 10% of everybody who takes this course, they don't know anything about it. They can't figure it out. That's just the way it is. There's also a lot of people that can't drive their car. You know, they practice every day, they still can't drive. There's all kinds of people like that. They can't do anything in life. They want everybody just to hand them something, you know. They want everything just to be easy. They don't want to work for it. They don't want to study. They don't want to try. Nah. That's why they get scammed over and over and over again, because they're like that. If you are a serious person with a decent level of intelligence on your head, you can easily do this. Very easily. If you're lazy, you don't want to do anything, don't bother. You're going to go around and you're going to get scammed from one place to another over and over and over again. That's just the way it is. Welcome to the world. I am a scientist, a philosopher. I broke the code to this market, 2006. It's all controlled by a computer. That's why I can hit 100 penny trades every day if I want to. Every single day. If I wanted to, I could go up to 50 contracts, 100 contracts. What's amazing to me is the best trader in the world, me. Nobody even knows. All the scams, the biggest scams that there are, all the most popular people of all. It's an irony. It's an irony, and it's not just true with me and this trading, it's true of all things. All the people with intelligence and speak the truth and have something truly special are all slandered, mocked, and said that they are a scam, said that they are crazy, and said that they need help and need to see a psychiatrist. That's the way it works. All the con artists and criminals, they're all the most popular people of all. Everybody loves them. That's the way the world works. So if you want to wake up to how the world really works, that's how it really works. And this market right here, and all the markets, they're all controlled by a computer program. They do not really trade. And I broke the code. Out of 7 billion people on planet Earth, I broke the code. And I prove it every day now. And you can't imagine how much I am hated now because of it. You know why you're ripped off over and over and over again? Well, it's not on accident. You were ripped off on purpose over and over again. On purpose. So, My fellow citizens of the United States and the world, when you're ready, I am here. Happy trading out there, traders. I will be back next week to do some more trading.